Joining me this hour from New York City is James Meggs. He's editor-in-chief of Popular Mechanics. So it seems the first conspiracy theories about 9/11 began to emerge while the wreckage was still smoldering. It was hard to separate the emotion of that day from the science that I was reading in your book that you had investigated. So many conspiracy theories. I mean, thousands and thousands and thousands. Was there anything unearthed in your investigation that gave you pause, even for a moment?
Well, certainly when we set into it, we set into it with an open mind.
And I just wonder if you would talk about for a minute how hard that was for you, or if it was at all. Differentiating those feelings of studying something sort of in a scientific way and actually being there.
Yeah, well, like so many people, I was in New York that day, and I saw the flames from the South Tower. The very facts that the conspiracy theorists put forth as evidence again and again turn out not to hold up. And yet the conspiracy theories think that it's somehow bizarre to conclude that led to the buildings falling down. But it was so striking, Jane, that how misguided and intentionally inaccurate the factual claims we got from the conspiracy theorists were, maliciously inaccurate in some cases.
And Jonathan Kay, let me ask you, what was your reaction to Kevin Ryan hearing him just a few moments ago? Jonathan Kay, you first.
Well, it's interesting because, like a lot of 9/11 conspiracy theorists, you could have all the thermite in the world, you would not be able to bring it down a skyscraper. You could have all the thermite in the world, you would not be able to bring it down a skyscraper.
Anybody going into this might have thought would be at the higher end of credibility. Thermite is a metal oxide, aluminum oxide, and iron oxide. Anybody going into this might have thought would be at the higher end of credibility. Thermite is a metal oxide, aluminum oxide, and iron oxide. We focus strictly on the claims that conspiracy theorists make, and for most of the conspiracy theorists, focus on someone's pet villain.
To so many conspiracy theories. I mean, thousands and thousands and thousands. To so many conspiracy theories. I mean, thousands and thousands and thousands.
Take your pick. Most conspiracy theories are interchangeable in terms of their structure.
And what about 9/11 makes it particularly prone to these kinds of conspiracy theories?
Well, conspiracy theories have always flourished in traumatized societies.
the very facts that the conspiracy theorists put forth as evidence again and again turn out not to hold up. Yes, well, conspiracy theories, they always love a vacuum. So, again, as I said, conspiracy theorists love a vacuum. So, the conspiracy theorists have conspiracy theorists where conspiracy theorists make. A lot of the conspiracy theory websites.
First, conspiracy theories to so many conspiracy theories. I mean,
conspiracy theories are interchangeable. Because like a lot of 9/11 conspiracy theorists.
To so many conspiracy theories. I mean, thousands and thousands and thousands. Will these theories, these conspiracy theories, ever go away to your mind?
They will never go away, and unfortunately, as I said, it's hard to argue people who embrace them. In 3 years of interviewing conspiracy theorists, I never once won an argument with them.